Hello, this video brought to you by Sankran.
Visualforce Beyond Basics Reuse Page Styling. In my experience, I've worked with different clients of different industries. Each company has their own style, brand, logo, and again, it depends on some personal opinion as well. There's no strict rule that some styling will work for some companies. It all depends on how people use it and what age group people use the users belongs to, and simply the management, and it relates to everything, since Salesforce is used by management and as well as the users who will be in different age range in this group and have different kind of skill sets and background. We need to take everything into account while we style each components in the pages. But regardless of whatever methodology or however we follow, we should never re-implement styling in all pages. We should reuse the stylings as much as possible. We should avoid writing the styles, I mean CSS scripts, inside the inside each page. It has to be always in common place. Mainly in Salesforce, it's static resource or by any other means. It shouldn't be in each page. As long as it's possible, we need to reuse it. Very basic way of reusing style is Salesforce provides a tag name called attribute name called tab style, which accepts a custom or standard of a subject. Then it applies the same styling whatever that customer standard object has. So for example, for this example I've used account, and for simple example I've included a page block. Let's see how it looks. See, it by just putting the tab style, it opens by default into this tab, and in test block you can see the color which belongs to account. So this is just an example. You can see in page block or in text area or input box, wherever the colors and the logo, everything comes from the tab styles. So you don't need to re-implement or things like that. In Salesforce, it's advisable to reuse the standard styling as much as possible, because Salesforce puts a lot of efforts in designing these designs compatible with standard UI. So rather than reinventing or redesigning it, let's use them as much as possible. But if you want to use the custom styling for your brand, I know some clients, some companies want to look these custom pages entirely different, not like a standard one, because they expect that when you do custom pages, it needs to shown as a custom page, not a standard page. Just the opinions. Different companies have different opinions. So in those cases, you can have a custom styling, but the standard practice is like to have a common.css file like this, which will have styling for each component like a text. For example, I've given for two things just for simplicity purpose, but in real time you'll have a text label, text input, and option box, date picker, text area, image, section header, page block, for everything for each and every apex tags. You will have a similar styling like this, and then you can place that in a comment.css and upload them into static resource. And in, for example, in a page you can include the static resource, and you can use the style name like this, class name like this, rather than redefining it in each page. This allows you will maintain a consistent look in all the pages, which avoids the which gives a better user experience for your users at different age group. Because I've seen this is the best way each group of users likes, and there is no doubt about it. And this is an example for the second thing, like where you want to have a custom styling. For text label, I've given a bold styling, and for text box, I've made it a bigger. If you want to have this very same styling for all the pages, you can definitely do that by just using the same class name in the common.css file.
Don't forget to like this video and provide your comments or feedbacks below. If you like this video and want to share with friends, please share them. And if you want to notify about my future videos, please subscribe below. Thank you.